Hello YouTube, Joe here. Today I thought we could talk about, at least on my saw, the noise you hear when you go to turn the wheel, that ear-piercing scream, and it just doesn't seem to go away. You get to put a little lube on it, a little dry lube, a couple of weeks, maybe a month later, it's back, more dry lube, more dry lube, more dry lube. It's not working for me. Some time ago I decided to try this product, which is that white grease, silicone white grease stick, Lubristick by Panif Quality. And it works so good, I had to mention this. Let's have a look at how it's done. It's quick, it's easy. So before we actually get started, move your spindle all the way up as high as it'll go. And we're gonna have to get into the service door next. So if you have a lot of sawdust down in there, it would be a good idea if you can to turn on your vacuum now. Maybe give it a little air down in there and clean the inside out. It'd be a little easier to do the service. If you can't, you can't. I will show you next what we need to do. Okay, and from this view, you're going to want to take that lube stick and gently wipe it across the face of that gear, just like you're seeing with the laser. Then twist that shaft just a little bit. Do it again until you feel it's been coated all the way around. All right? And make sure you turn it the way I'm turning it. Otherwise it's going to wipe it off right away up here without dispersing it. Okay? Do the same thing with this one here. Coat it, turn it, coat it, turn it until you feel it's been coated pretty good. Don't go crazy with the grease though. You don't need a lot. A little will go a long way, otherwise it'll just waste it. Then the next thing you're going to do is grab your pinpoint applicator with your favorite lube in it. I'm using WD-40, it works well. And you're going to want to put it at the end of each shaft. There's a supporting bushing between here and here. And at the other end, towards us, towards the camera, there's another one right behind that worm gear. The same is true up on top. Right here is an ideal spot for another few drops. Then twist the shaft, few drops, twist the shaft. And do that same thing at the other end of that shaft where it meets the wall, the back wall of your saw. It goes into a bushing there too. Each one of the worm gears is supported at both ends. So that's 4 joints that you should be lubricating. At least 3 drops, start it at the top, give it a few twists, and do the same thing again. You shouldn't need any more than that. And there you have a smooth operating saw, pretty darn quick. All you have to do now is put it back together. Close your service door. You're set. You're ready to go. You guys let me know what you think. Take care.